It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop. When the bell on the
Hi lovelies, hi lovelies, welcome back to another video, guys. How did we get here, guys? How did I get here? Okay, guys, look at my hair. She is ready to be full and voluminous. Okay, we are ready for that. Okay, guys, so if you've watched my previously uploaded video, you guys would know how I got to this point. Okay, so if you have not watched that video, I am going to link it in the description box down below. Alright, so you could just click it and go over there and watch. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna be cutting my hair. Yes, guys, I didn't want to, but obviously my hair is not growing in a healthy state, right? So I just had to pick up the scissors and cut my hair. Oh, we do not like to cut the hair, but we gotta cut the hair for it to have a fresh and healthy start. Okay, so this is not a long video, so I'm not going to talk too much. I'd love for you to watch the whole video. If you have any comments, suggestions, or concerns, please be sure to leave them in the description box, in the comment section, in the comment section box down below, and I'll of course be sure to respond to you guys. Okay, and guys, please keep in mind, I'm not a professional. I'm just doing what I can with what I have, the tools that I have. Okay, guys, so yes, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Christmas time, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas song. From this Christmas song. From this Christmas song, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree.
Okay, loves, I hope you are enjoying. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, cutting all of that off. Okay, guys, so I hope you're enjoying the video so far. But I also wanted to add that because you know, guys, I am relaxed, right? And I usually use because of using the no lie relaxer for such a long time, because the no lie relaxer has the calcium in it, and because of the calcium, it caused my hair to be a little drier than usual. And because you know, when your hair is drier, it's even more brittle and it's more prone to breakage and hair thinning and all of that, right? But so that's the reason why I also switched to the lie relaxer, and I've been using the no lie relaxer for quite a while. Okay, so you could understand the amount of dryness I was experiencing through that. So that's one of the main reasons why I switched from a no lie relaxer to a lie relaxer. Okay, guys, and remember, just check out my previously uploaded video, and I'll explain a little bit more about the products that I'm using, right? Some of the products I'm using, guys. I threw out all those old products, guys. Yes, I did. Your girl started all over from scratch, guys. I paid no attention to ingredients, what was in the ingredients, guys, and I think I was doing so much protein overload on my hair because some of the shampoos, the conditioners, the treatments that you put in here has protein in it, guys. And then when you do the protein treatment, it's just protein on top of protein and all this stuff. So I never usually paid attention to that, but now your girl is on track. I have the products that my hair love. Wash day is so much more manageable, and my relaxer day, my previous relaxer day, was just like a breeze. I loved it. Okay, so, and even while watching this, doing this voiceover for this video, guys, I'm like, I think I should cut more of my hair. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should cut a little bit more? Do you think I should go like a bob, short bob, and just start over from there? What do you guys think? Okay, let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, because you know, once you hold a scissors, it's just like you can't stop chopping. You can't stop cutting, but it's for good reason. Okay, but yeah, so that's what it is.
Feeling alone, kinda misty. Waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm. Sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow. A secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. I worry about the weather, waiting for snow. And each day I feel better, and my hope begins to grow. Been staring out my window, looking for a sign, something to remind me of the place I left behind. My time of the year. There's a feeling I remember from the time when I was young. On the last days of December, me and you and everyone, we would run around the big house where your cousins used to live. And we do lots of things I know our folks would not forgive. My time of the year. I know it's a lot to ask for a day to forever last. I could wash my hands, but still would relive my past. My time.
Okay, love, sadly, we are coming down to the end of this video. Oh, I know. Okay, guys, please also don't forget to let me know in the comments section if I should go a little bit shorter. Let me know if you want to see me rock that bob, guys, or should I just let it continue growing like this and we'll see the outcome on what we should do further, okay? And yes, sound off down below in the comments section. I am so happy that I've made this transition with my hair, changing these products and paying more attention to my hair. Okay, and remember, moisturizing your hair is also good. Sealing those ends is also good, okay, because I am on a road to get thicker, fuller, and voluminous hair, okay? Are you going on this journey with me, guys? Yes, let's go on it together. So also, if you're not yet subscribed to the Miss Kimmy K family, why hesitate, guys? Hit the subscribe button for more great content, guys, and also like the video if you're loving it. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for all my supporters. I love you. I thank you. I appreciate you, okay? Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.
Making angels and